Let's divide 398 by 2. Hey math adventurers, ready to conquer division? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome math fun on Let's Stud. Alright team, let's start with the first digit of 398, which is 3. We're going to see how many times 2 fits into 3. We're working with the first digit, 3, no need to bring down any new numbers yet. How many times does 2 go into 3? It goes in 1 time. Let's check our work. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. This is our remainder for this step. Awesome job, we found the first digit of our answer. Now let's bring down the next digit, 9, to make our new number 19. Next up we have the number 19. We're going to divide 19 by 2. We brought down the 9, so now we have 19 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 19? Let's think of our 2 times tables. It's 9 times. Let's multiply. 9 times 2 equals 18. Time to subtract. 19 minus 18 leaves us with 1. That's our remainder. You're doing fantastic. We're getting closer to the final answer. Let's bring down the last digit, 8, to make our new number 18. Last step, we now have 18. We need to divide 18 by 2. We brought down the 8, forming 18. We're almost done. What is 18 divided by 2? You got it, it's 9. Let's check. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Subtracting now. 18 minus 18 equals 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, we've reached the end of our division. You crushed it. And that's it. We've divided 398 by 2. Our final answer is 199. We did it. We found out that 398 divided by 2 is 199. Great job following along. We learned how to break down a big number like 398 into smaller parts to divide it by 2. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're doing amazing. You're all math stars. Keep practicing and exploring more exciting math adventures with us on Let's Stud. See you next time.